In the world of Manhattan real estate, luxury is defined by volume and space. Now, when it comes to penthouse living, the space one most covets is the one that has the ability to open up and bring the outside in, seamlessly creating and curating whatever moment you wish to experience yourself or share with your guests. You know you've truly arrived when you can entertain all on one level from your expansive great room that flows to dining for 10 to 12 outside comfortably under the stars. With nearly 5,000 interior square feet spilling off to not one, but two massive south-facing, perfect rectangular-shaped terraces, this home is the epitome of luxury and civilized living in New York City. And with Terrace time fast approaching us, we proudly present 21 West 20th Street, Penthouse 1.